Hello, I'm Anita. I just completed a 1 month internship with the Unified Mentor as a data analyst intern. This internship was a great learning journey, and I got to work on real world project that sharpened my skills in data analysis, and it was a fantastic journey as my mentors in the internship was always available, offering me valuable feedback and guiding me through the challenges with practical insights. So it has been a great journey. Overall, the internship was a great experience, and I'm excited to apply whatever I have learned here in future opportunities. Thank you, Unified Mentor.